What if you could uncover almost anything about anyone online with just a few clicks? Today, I'm revealing 14 of the most powerful free OSINT tools that can turn you into a digital detective. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only. Use these tools ethically and legally. Ready to see the 2026 edition of the best free OSINT tools? Let's dive in. First up is Maltego, a tool that's become a staple for digital investigators and cybersecurity experts around the world. Think of it as a detective's mind map on steroids, only instead of sticky notes and string, you get a dynamic, interactive web of connections that updates in real time. All you need to do is plug in a single piece of information, like an email address, a phone number, or even a username, and Maltego instantly explodes that data into a sprawling web of connections, revealing links you might never have found manually. It can uncover connections to social media accounts, websites, company domains, and even pinpoint physical locations tied to your search. Maltego visualizes digital footprints in a way that makes complex networks easy to understand, mapping out relationships for investigators, journalists, and cybersecurity pros alike. Even the free version is surprisingly powerful, letting you see just how deep the rabbit hole goes, sometimes revealing hundreds of connections from a single clue. When we tested it on a public corporate domain, we instantly uncovered employee email patterns, hidden subdomains, executive profiles, and even links to third-party services, all in a matter of minutes. Maltego does the heavy lifting for you. Just guide the search, follow the leads, and let the software reveal the bigger picture. That's tool number 1. Meet Spiderfoot, your very own automated OSINT robot army designed to tirelessly work for you around the clock. Imagine having a team of digital investigators, always on standby, ready to dig deep into the internet at your command. All you have to do is give it a target, hit go, and watch as over 200 specialized modules fan out across the web. They search for emails, subdomains, breached data, leaked credentials, and so much more, uncovering details you might never find manually. Spiderfoot checks social media profiles, scans dark web forums, combs through public records, and even explores obscure corners of the internet. It then organizes every piece of information it finds into a clean, easy-to-navigate dashboard, making analysis simple. We put Spiderfoot to the test on a sample website. In less than 30 minutes, it uncovered forgotten files, old developer emails, exposed credentials, and even flagged several security vulnerabilities, things that could have easily gone unnoticed. By automating these tedious tasks, Spiderfoot saves you countless hours of manual searching and lets you focus on what matters most, analyzing results and strengthening your security. It's relentless, incredibly thorough, and absolutely perfect for security audits or ongoing monitoring. This is automation at its best: powerful, efficient, and always one step ahead. Ready to see what else is out there? Let's move on to the next tool. Forget Google. There's a search engine out there that's far more unsettling, and most people have never even heard of it. Shodan is the search engine for internet-connected devices, not websites. It crawls the web, but instead of finding pages, it finds the actual hardware that makes up the internet. It uncovers everything from unsecured webcams and smart fridges in people's homes to massive industrial control systems running factories and power plants. Hackers use Shodan to hunt for vulnerable devices, searching for weak points in security that can be exploited for attacks or data theft. But it's not just for criminals. Cybersecurity professionals rely on Shodan to monitor their own networks, spot vulnerabilities, and protect against threats. Just search for webcam, and you'll instantly see thousands of unsecured camera feeds from around the world, many of them streaming live without the owners even realizing it. It's a massive privacy wake-up call, reminding us all to secure our devices, change default passwords, and be aware of what's connected to the internet in our homes. Shodan reveals a hidden layer of the internet, a digital underworld that most people never see or even imagine exists. It's both a defensive and offensive tool, used by good guys and bad guys alike. And yes, anyone can use it for free. The Harvester is your go-to for finding emails, subdomains, and employee names tied to any company. It scrapes search engines and social networks, building a quick profile of an organization, perfect for security testers and ethical hackers. We ran it on a major tech company and got dozens of emails and names in seconds. Just type a simple command and watch the data pour in. Fast, focused, and essential for email reconnaissance. Google dorking is the art of using advanced search commands to find hidden info online. Combine operators like cite and file type to uncover sensitive documents, login pages, and more. A single search can reveal spreadsheets with passwords or confidential reports. Entire databases of dorks exist to help you find exposed data. We found internal reports and user lists in minutes. It's a fundamental OSINT skill, free and limitless. Master it, and the internet opens up. Have I been PW'd lets you check if your email or phone number was leaked in a data breach. Just enter your info and see which breaches you're in, plus what data was exposed. It's a wake-up call to use unique, strong passwords everywhere. Companies use it too to protect customers. I found a dozen breaches tied to my old email. Terrifying. Go check yours now. Essential for digital self-defense. Social Searcher is a real-time search engine for social media. Enter a name, hashtag, or keyword and instantly see the latest public mentions across dozens of platforms. Great for brand monitoring or tracking a person of interest. It analyzes sentiment, shows top users, and visualizes trends. Set up alerts for instant notifications. The free version is powerful enough for most needs. It's your live feed to the social web. Creepy aggregates geolocation data from social media posts and maps a person's movements. It finds posts with embedded GPS data and plots them on a map, revealing patterns and locations. It's a privacy wake-up call. Turn off location tagging on your devices. Most platforms strip this data now, but not all. Creepy shows how much you can reveal without realizing it. Use it to protect yourself, not to stalk. Digital privacy starts with awareness. ReconNG is a modular command-line reconnaissance framework for pros. Create workspaces, add modules, and automate complex investigations. Find subdomains, emails, open ports, and more. Chain modules for powerful custom workflows. It's open source, flexible, and constantly updated. Steep learning curve, but unmatched power. If you're serious about OSINT, learn ReconNG. It's the backbone of professional investigations. FOCA uncovers hidden metadata in documents. Names, usernames, software versions, and more. Point it at a website and it crawls, downloads, and analyzes every document it finds. Metadata can reveal internal details companies never meant to share. We found staff names, software versions, and even printer names on a university site. Innocent files can hide a goldmine of info. FOCA exposes what's lurking beneath the surface. The OSINT framework is your interactive map to hundreds of OSINT tools and resources. Click a topic like username and instantly see all related tools and sites. It's community curated and always up to date. Bookmark it as your go-to OSINT resource. No need to memorize tool names, just start here. It's the ultimate cheat sheet for any investigation. Sherlock checks a username across hundreds of social media sites in seconds. Find all profiles tied to a single handle: Instagram, Twitter, gaming sites, and more. It's fast, free, and shockingly thorough. We found 50+ accounts for a single username. Essential for building a complete online profile. One search, every door checked. Twint scrapes Twitter without API limits. No account needed. Download every tweet from a user, search by keyword, or filter by date and location. Journalists and researchers use it to analyze trends and archive conversations. Perfect for deep dives into Twitter data. Save results as spreadsheets for easy analysis. Simple commands, massive power. Twint is the ultimate Twitter OSINT tool. Intelligence X is the search engine for leaked data, archives, and the dark web. Search for emails, usernames, domains, even Bitcoin addresses, across breaches and deleted posts. It archives data from the Panama Papers, hacker forums, and more. See what companies tried to scrub from the web. We found leaked user info from a major breach in seconds. Once data is leaked, it never truly disappears. This is the deep end of OSINT. 14 free OSINT tools. Now you have the keys to the digital world. Use this power ethically and legally. Protect your privacy and security. Check your privacy settings, use strong passwords, and stay alert. The goal is awareness, not exploitation. Want more tech secrets? Subscribe and join the mission. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and see you next time.